Now let's talk for a minute about shampoos and conditioners. First up, shampoos. So why do we use shampoos on a regular day-to-day basis? Well, shampoos are used in order to clean our hair. They're very, very effective at doing this, removing extra oil, grease, dirt, grime, all of these things. Now, when we have a hair system, it's something that we've got to be a little bit more careful with and buy quality products, because our hair systems are no longer living hair that are coming out of our scalp. It's hair that is attached to a hair system, and we have to take care of it in order for it to look its best. So a general rule of thumb when buying a shampoo for a hair system is buy one that has no sulfates, is paraben free, and has no sodium chloride. Even better, if you can find one that is for dry, damaged, or color treated hair, that is going to be a great choice for your shampoo. But let's quickly backtrack and talk about what each of those things are inside of shampoo, so we understand why it is that we don't want them inside of our shampoo. So what are sulfates? Sulfates are actually surfactants, which means that they cause a foaming action, which is what we get when we generally have shampoo. When they're exposed to water, they start foaming, which allows them to clean deeper and deeper into our hair and scalp, which is the purpose of a shampoo, right? However, sulfates can actually make a shampoo too effective. And what happens when they're too effective is it removes too much oil and leave it dry and feeling damaged. Now let's talk about parabens. What are parabens? Historically, parabens were used in order to keep bacteria from growing. However, it's starting to be shown that parabens may not be as helpful and actually may be somewhat harmful to your hair. Generally speaking, parabens also dry out your hair, so it's something to avoid. Now let's talk a little bit about conditioners. There's a couple different conditioners that you may want to purchase. Now, a conditioner is gonna add oil and moisture to your hair. It's going to help revitalize your hair. It's a very, very important part of taking care of your hair system. Generally speaking, you want to look for a conditioner that is designed to treat color treated hair, or once again, dry hair or damaged hair, as these will have extra moisture and revitalizing capabilities to them. Now, there's another type of conditioner that I think is really important that you purchase in order to make sure that your hair system has a great life, and that is a color depositing shampoo. Color depositing shampoos actually counteract the effect of your hair system, which is colored to your specific color, from starting to wash out and lose its true color, which can be an unfortunate experience when it starts to not match your true hair color. It can start to look a little bit different. So a color depositing shampoo is designed to counteract your hair system becoming washed out or another color. Color depositing shampoos are generally specific to your particular hair color. So if you are a blonde, a dark blonde, a light brown, medium brown, dark brown, black, there are different color depositing shampoos that work specifically for your hair color to make sure that your hair system will have the longest amount of life and duration to it. And of course, this is a very, very important part of having a hair system. I use leave-in conditioner every single day. A leave-in conditioner is generally a spray that you spray into your hair, which will help leave it moisturized throughout the day and throughout whatever you have going on in your day-to-day life. This right here is kind of the cherry on top, which I believe helps make a hair system last longer. Get a good one that you like that is a spray. That way you can start to comb it through your hair as you get ready for the day, or even midday. Use this stuff pretty liberally. It's going to give you more duration out of your hair system. Now, here's some things you may want to consider in order to maintain your hair system. That involves installing, reinstalling, cleaning it, all of these different things.